So since I'm always using my camera on the manual mode, there are multiple settings that I have to set for every shoot that I'm doing. In this video, let me show you how I will change the shutter speed for this particular camera that is Canon 6D Mark II, but the same approach is similar to other Canon cameras as well. So to change the shutter speed, it's rather easy. You just go to this wheel that you have on top, and for Canon cameras it will be very similar from one camera to another, and you just roll it. And as you can see, it will change this setting that is the shutter speed. So you don't want to go too low or you will blur out the pictures. And you should consider not going too high depending on the setting that you are shooting. So if you're doing sports or some high speed action, you want to go higher, but then you have to compensate maybe for ISO and different settings if the lighting setup is not as good. And also, if you are in a studio shooting, you don't want to go too high as well, because then the impulse lights will not match your shutter speed and you will fail to have light in your pictures.